Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, so I'm still here at the Upper East Side. I'm really delighted with this community. I'm just showing off a little bit more of it. We were inside that Upper East Cafe that's over there, but this is really pretty. This is just the grounds, so you can kind of see it. I mean, it just really stands out. The amount of amenities at the village, there's the main amenities, and then each apartment does have its amenities too. But the amenities at each apartment can be lighter or heavier. Some of the older apartments don't necessarily have as wide of amenities, but this is one of the newer ones, and so it's got a lot to offer here. And it's more on the higher end of the price too, but it's worth it. So this is a little bit of what it looks like. I do want to see, I mentioned also there is a pool out here. So I just want you to see the pool. That's over there so you can see it. It's a really, really nice pool. So really pretty pool. It's over there. And it's its own private pool. So you've got a nice, private pool that's there. That's really, really nice. So you can go to the big pool or you can be in one of these pools. So anyway, now we're about to go see one of the apartments. I can't wait to show it off to you. We're gonna go see it. It's a 2-bedroom, so we'll go see it right now. Hey, if you have any questions, send me a text, or if you want to set up a virtual live tour, send me a text as well.